Hey everybody, we're going to real quick here run through how to find an integral using graphical analysis. So I'm in the Vernier Graphical Analysis app on my Chromebook. I'm going to go ahead and select manual entry here because I'm going to be inputting data that I have already recorded. For this little example here, we're going to look at maybe a velocity versus time graph. So when we find the integral of velocity as a function of time, we're going to end up with our displacement. So let's go ahead and put in some data here. Let's say that our x variable, I'm going to go ahead and edit our column here, is time, units seconds, and let's go with a precision of 1 decimal place. And oops, let's go with the first 5 seconds of motion here. And then my y variable is going to be velocity, units meters per second. And let's keep similar precision here, 1 decimal place. So let's say that we start out first 2 seconds with a constant velocity of 10 meters per second, and then we increase our velocity at a rate of 10 meters per second squared for the next 3 seconds. So we accelerate up to 40 meters per second. Okay, so you can see my data points displayed here on the graph. I kind of want to zoom out real quick here, so I'm going to edit my graph options, and I'm going to change my y-axis range to be from 0, let's say up to 50. Yeah, that'll work for me. I can add a title if we want. Let's go velocity versus time. All looking real good. Awesome. So now we're ready to find our integral, the area under the curve. It's really easy in graphical analysis. Just click on the graph menu down in the bottom left corner of the graph area and go with View Integral. And there you go. Highlights the area under the curve and calculates the area under the curve as well. You know, one thing that's maybe not so great about this, it doesn't cancel the units for you automatically. So notice that the units that are labeled here as meters per second times seconds, which is just meters, but you can figure that out. You're smart. So you should be just fine. But yeah, I've covered 85 meters in 5 seconds for this particular object. There you have it. That's how to find the integral of a curve using the graphical analysis app for Chromebook.